David Warner recalls his experience of being in IPL 2021 while the second wave of COVID-19 was happening in India. I'll give you details on that. Uske baad dekhenge. Why has Morne Morkel said that the IPL has broken a lot of differences between cricketers of different countries? What is that? I will tell you. Aur sabse ant mein dekhenge, Team India fielding coach has called this cricketer a complete athlete. Who is that and what are those details? I'll give you all of that in today's episode of News Tracker. Hello everybody. Welcome to Cricket Tracker. Cricket Tracker is your one-stop destination for the latest news in the world of cricket. My name is Nivedna Prabhu, and before I begin this video, if you haven't liked, shared and subscribed to Cricket Tracker as yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Do not waste any time and hit that button quickly. And without wasting time, let's begin this video to find out what's making news in the world of cricket. Well, the last few weeks for Australian cricketers has not been too pleasant. Of course, first it was the IPL being called off midway because of the rise of COVID-19 cases in India. And at that same particular time, the Australian government had put a travel ban on any flights coming in from India, which meant that Australian cricketers had to, take that route to go to Maldives first, quarantine there, and then, reunite with their families. And one such cricketer, of course, who just reunited with his family is David Warner. But David Warner recalled about the entire experience of what it really felt like when that second wave of COVID-19 had struck India out of nowhere, and the IPL campaign was also going on at that point. He has gone on to call it a terrifying experience. But what else has he said? I will tell you. Now, David said, I think it's really hit home when everyone saw that piece on the TV about what was happening in India with the oxygen. People on the streets lining up to cremate their family members, and we did see that a couple of times going to and from the grounds, open fields and stuff. It was terrifying, and it was just really upsetting from a humanitarian point of view. Now, obviously, as overseas cricketers, one thing is their safety in terms of, going back and reuniting with their families. But he's acknowledging the fact that it wasn't a very pleasant sight, and it was a terrifying experience when all the cricketers were, of course, privy to the things that were happening in India. But on the other hand, we're just very glad that David Warner and the rest of the Australian cricketers also have reunited with their family at this testing time. One of the best things about, a T20 league like the Indian T20 league is the fact that it brings everybody under one roof. Now, it doesn't matter whether, they're domestic players, they're overseas players, everybody is playing together, and fans are, of course, happy about it. But even cricketers recognize that sometimes it has a different sort of advantage. What am I referring to? Well, former South African bowler Morne Morkel has spoken about how the IPL has actually broken a lot of differences, especially between the two country players, which is between Proteas as well as Australian cricketers. He said that the Indian T20 league has also helped them, come closer in a way and break some sort of differences. What was he referring to? I will tell you. Now, Morne said there was always a little bit of tension when South Africa played Australia or England, but the IPL broke all these sorts of differences that there were. I remember the one year we played Australia at the Wanderers, and after the test match, we all got into one bus and we were driving back to the hotel. Never in the world back in the day would you see that. It just shows you the quality and the power of the game that can actually unite us all. Now, that's one fantastic thing to see, because generally we talk about how fans come together to support their teams, but it's also fantastic to see how he's recognizing the fact that, of course, an Indian T20 league or any sort of cricketing platform, really, like he said, has brought all of them together. What do you all think about this particular statement and this incident that he has spoken about, in terms of that tension and differences that the IPL has now, little bit probably helped to diffuse that situation? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, India's campaign for the World Test Championship final is definitely looking strong now against New Zealand. Now, all players, of course, will be having attention, and everybody will be waiting to watch how they're going to perform. But one player that everybody is going to be looking forward to is Shubman Gill. Now, Shubman Gill, of course, has had probably 7 matches so far in that test format, but still, it does not mean that he hasn't had opportunities where he's been praised by different cricketers, by different people at various stages for his performance. And the latest, to be praising Shubman Gill is the India fielding coach R. Sridhar, who's gone on to say a couple of things about Shubman Gill, and he's also called him a complete athlete. What else has Sridhar said? I will tell you. Now, R. Sridhar said, talking about Shubman, I feel he's the most complete athlete I have seen. He's slim, tall, runs fast, and has good hand-eye coordination. On most occasions, when a new player comes in, we know his strengths and weaknesses, as we would have seen him play in the IPL or in India A. My job as the fielding coach is to make sure his mindset is in tune with the national team. Now that of course is Sridhar talking in terms, of a coach and really looking at what Shubman Gill's strengths are. But you tell me in the comment section, do you agree with the statement that Shubman looks like a complete athlete? And most importantly, are you looking forward to his innings and all his performances in the upcoming series for Team India? Let me know in the comment section below. Well, with that, it's a wrap on this episode of the News Tracker. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up, follow all our social media channels, and do not forget to subscribe to Cricket Tracker so that every time we come back with a new video, you are updated about the latest news in the world of cricket. My name is Nivedna Prabhu, but before I sign off, I have a question for you. Which are those two players, one player from each team, from India and New Zealand, that both the other teams will have to look forward to in the World Test Championship final? Give me two names, one player from each team. I'm looking forward to those answers, so tell me in the comment section below. I will see you very soon. Until I see you next time, like I always say, take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.